the workshops, in terms of the whole film was set up through Zoom calls. It was a unique way of filmmaking where I didn't know where the cameras were. The lights were already, it was already pre-lit. The set was, we were doing 15 minutes ka one shot at one go. There's a thin line of overdoing it
Exactly.
or going too subtle about it.
Yeah.
एक thin line पे आपको रहना पड़ता है और वो crack करना I think lifelong चली जाती है. Life चली जाती है पूरी, but वो crack नहीं हो पाता लोगों से.
Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah, and today I am having a conversation with somebody who has been a friend, somebody who has been a talented actor, and he's come a long, long way. I'm very proud of him. He knows that. It's Mr. Kartik Aaryan. What's up?
Thank you, Shravan.
काफी सारा एनर्जी लाया गया है इस इंटरव्यू के लिए.
बहुत एनर्जी लेकर आए हैं एकदम. I am so glad and so good to see you after so long.
Yeah.
Lockdown में मिल ही नहीं पा रहे थे, and I am so happy that this happened. धमाका happened, and at least इस बहाने हमें मिलने का मौका मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
So it's so good to see you.
For sure. So Kartik, my first question to you is going to be this: that I have known you for the longest time now, and
Yeah.
you know we've had this conversation off camera, on camera, and all
Yeah.
of that. Today, when you sit back, okay, and you witness this entire setup of Netflix,
Yeah.
okay, is the dream that you had probably back then? Do you think it's finally come true?
I think it's already, I'm living my dream right now, and I mean, I have so much gratitude and so much of understanding about all this love being there around me. I'm so wary of the fact that I have to work even more harder now to just be able to prove my worth.
Yeah.
And you know, so I'm just sometimes I feel I'm so lucky कि इतना it's like a miracle कि the kind of fans adulation that I get, the kind of love that I get from them is immense, and I feel कि मैं उनको किसी ना किसी तरीके से वो प्यार लौटा भी पाऊँ, और ये रोज़ का मेरा एक कुछ ना कुछ इंटरेक्शन से, किसी फ़ोटो से, या फिर एक सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू, या फिर कहीं पे भी मिलते जुलते कभी कुछ ना कुछ करते हुए मैं उनसे ये प्यार शेयर करता रहता हूँ, बांटता रहता हूँ. बट it's a dream to be having this, you know, interview right now, to be able to have gotten a chance to work with a director like Ram Madhwani sir, and all the films that I'm doing, all the kind of genres that I'm exploring right now, or getting a chance to have those choices. So you know, it's like a dream for an actor to be in that situation, and touch wood, I'm living it and loving it.
Perfect. Wow. Okay. You've heard this probably so many times that being a part of a romantic comedy काफी easy होता है.
बहुत बार
ठीक है,
सुना.
बहुत easy होता है ना. Like you have to just wake up, read whatever lines are given to you, and just say that, right?
The most
ऐसा करना है.
difficult genre. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I want you to talk about it because it's not easy to be in a romantic comedy, especially it's not easy, especially to make people laugh, right?
It's the most difficult thing. There's a thin line of overdoing it.
Exactly.
or going too subtle about it.
Yeah.
एक thin line पे आपको रहना पड़ता है और वो crack करना I think lifelong चली जाती है. Life चली जाती है पूरी, but वो crack नहीं हो पाता लोगों से. And I feel it's the most, not just because I've done comedies and that genre of film, and I've done those films and they've worked. I'm not saying it just for that.
Yeah.
I'm saying it because that is the reality. Any actor would say that, and it's something which is the most. I mean, आप एक ही लाइन को 4 बार रीटेक करके फिर से हंसाना, या फिर एक नॉर्मल लाइन में भी किसी तरह हंसी लाना, वो एक कला है जो बहुत कम लोगों में होती है, एंड वो आसानी से नहीं होता है. I think I enjoy doing emotional scenes. I enjoy doing drama and performing dramatic scenes, and it comes easier to me. It comes really easy to me, but I've not explored it enough. You've seen me more in rom-coms, but it's the most difficult part to do.
Yeah.
You know, romancing someone on screen, or romancing the camera, or you know, doing such things, or dancing, making audience feel that love for you. I think it's the most difficult thing to
Sure.
crack, and that's why there are only a number of actors who can do that genre,
Yeah.
and perform and be that, the chocolate boy image, or maybe whatever image that you call it. It's the most difficult thing to crack.
So when you now finally made this transition from your rom-coms to the drama
Yeah.
that you actually were craving, I know for the longest time, and when you got the opportunity, okay, and now when the film is out, and the response that you've been getting, I don't even want to talk about it because you know the kind of response you've
Yeah.
been getting.
Thank you.
Okay, when you're a part of a film like this, okay, does it somewhere as an actor take a toll on you to know that hey, this is going to take a piece of me? Did that happen with you?
It did. I mean, the kind of prep that I was doing for Arjun Pathak, it was unprecedented. The amount of work that we put in terms of the workshops, in terms of the whole film was set up through Zoom calls during the pandemic. Uh, my every workshop, which was done by Vikas Kumar sir, who also plays Praveen Kamath in the film, and he was my acting coach for the film, and all my rehearsals were with him. I was not allowed to meet any actor before the shot was taken, and so I could only have my rehearsals with him. It was a unique way of filmmaking where I didn't know where the cameras were. The lights were already, it was already pre-lit. The set was, we were doing 15 minutes ka one shot at one go. We were doing longer shots, longer takes, and so it needed a lot of prep, all these things, because it was a new world I was getting into, and a unique way of filmmaking.
Yeah.
A process which I have never even experienced or heard of. So I was nervous, but I got really excited with the fact that I was doing something really new.
Yeah.
I was kind of maybe reinventing myself in terms of maybe the genre, maybe the character that I'm playing right now. Is he a protagonist? Is he an antagonist? What is he? The moral compass goes from positive to negative to positive. What is happening?
Yeah.
So there was that nervous energy. And to hold audience for 100 minutes or so, just with the camera and not having those songs, those dance movements, I was just romancing the camera.
Yeah.
There was no crutches that I had, no added advantages or something to aid me. So it was really difficult to get into it. But it worked out pretty well, and the kind of reactions, the response that's coming through now, it's again something which I'm really proud of, and I'm so happy and relieved that people have accepted me in this, and they are really liking the fact, and they are in fact asking me to do something more like this. So it's like a tick mark.
Finally,
Yeah.
finally a tick mark. But when you play a character like this, right?
Yeah.
It's emotionally jarring. The character is emotionally jarring.
It
And
is.
like you said,
It is.
there is no compass for this guy. He is going from negative to positive, back to negative. It keeps on shuffling throughout the 100 minutes, and that's a shorter span for a character to keep shifting.
Right.
Usually what happens in a film is कि अच्छा ये अच्छा character है या this character is little grey. यहाँ पे आपको पता ही नहीं है ये बंदा कैसा
कहाँ
है.
shift होने वाला.
और by the time the film ends, you don't expect it to end the way it did,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
When you play a character like this, okay, and after you did the shoot and all of that, okay, was there ever this thing that यार ये थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा अर्जुन पाठक को निकलने के लिए?
110%. मतलब ये Arjun Pathak stayed with me for so long. I mean, right now also it's in back of my head. I mean, मैं कुछ भी ऐसे मैं सीधा अर्जुन पाठक के कैरेक्टर में घुस जाता हूँ, and I was so into it, and it took a lot of I mean, I don't know. There are certain characters जो आपके साथ रह जाते हैं और आप उनसे इतना अटैच हो जाते हो कि you start sometimes feeling what they would feel in a
Yeah.
certain situation.
Yeah.
And I was totally into it. So for me to just start thinking again like Karthik was again a process, and not be like Arjun Pathak in every situation or something like that. So हालांकि हमने शूट कम टाइम के लिए किया था, लेकिन प्रेप हमने मैसिव की थी इस फिल्म के लिए, सो दैट शूट एक सेट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में ख़त्म हो जाए. एंड बट वो प्रेप ने मुझे पूरी तरह से इस जोन में डाल दिया था, इस कैरेक्टर के एक ग्रे जोन में, या फिर सो इट वाज डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर मी टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट ऑल्सो लेटर ऑन. and be like a normal person out there.
Yeah. But did you by any chance manage to take Arjun Phatak on the sets of Shehzada also? No. That happened.
I felt like it when I was doing some ads. I felt like it when I was doing some other shoots. Thankfully, Shehzada was later. Before that, I was shooting for a film which is Freddy.
Yeah.
There I felt a bit of it, that this is carrying forward, and we need to really unprep or do something about it. And yeah, we did certain workshops. I did again for my next film, and yeah, like
But this feels like the 2.0 version of Kartik Aaryan, no? You have Freddy, you have Shehzada, Dhamaka out there, Bhool Bhulaiya. Like, the lineup has been great, okay? And as an actor, what else do you want when you always crave to play such characters, such genres, and now that, you're getting to tap into this, is there a genre that you're looking forward to doing that probably hasn't come your way? Because we're going to put it out in the universe. We're manifesting it right now.
I want to do a horror movie, which is never been explored in India. Like, not a horror comedy, but a horror. So
Like a proper
hardcore horror. Maybe like a
Like a Hereditary.
Yeah, I don't know. Like some.
Or a Conjuring.
Yeah, like a Conjuring, like a Ring, like something of that sort, or Shutter.
But are you a fan of horror as a genre?
I am. I love watching horror films. I love watching. I get really scared, but I love watching them also. Like, मैं light on करके ही सोता हूँ फिर. मेरे से नहीं फिर नींद आती. But I love those films. I don't know why. But I want something कि यहाँ पे वो horror genre को इतने अच्छे से explore नहीं किया.
That's true.
I feel maybe that is something I would love to do. Or a film like a Rockstar.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. That'll
Yeah.
be great, right?
Yeah.
To see you in different shades. And I think कहीं पे हमको ये ऐसे टीजर मिल गया है धमाका में कि
I really wanted to do a
character
film
इतने
like
play
Rockstar.
कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. Hopefully.
For sure. Also, you're doing Shehzada, which is a remake of an Ala Vaikuntapuram movie.
Yeah.
Okay. The hype was great for the South film. Is there a baggage there?
I mean, there's always a hype in one way or the other.
Yeah, for sure.
So I'm not bothered about it now. I'm really blessed that this is happening, and it's a film I really think it's a very well written film, and I really hope that it lives up to the expectations. And I've enjoyed shooting for the first schedule, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to start the film again.
Have you seen the
I-
Telugu one?
Yes, I've seen it.
You have.
I've seen it.
Will we see you do Vatavama?
That is a question.
That is a
Rohit Dhawan
question.
will answer.
Oh, nice. No, but seriously, congratulations on Dhamaka. I am very proud of you for the
Thank you, Shravan.
that it's literally Kartik Aaryan 2.0, and I'm very glad for that.
That's so nice.
Hoping to now do this yet again super soon.
Have to.
Then congratulations.
Thank you.
Take care of
you.
yourself.
Thank you so much.